falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, but got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk.
Okay guys, so I am actually standing on my toddler's bed, and I just want to show you guys the wall here so you can see I do have quite a bit to fix up. There's some pretty big like holes in the walls, which is why we had this all covered up with the map. This is where the map was. So the wall is like just completely, I got a lot of work to do. So we're gonna start caulking and stuff now, and then we're gonna wash everything down, just get the walls prepped. I'll tape it before we get on to painting.
Time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we jumped right on into this Toddler Girl Room Makeover. I am just finishing some sanding on the wall there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this up. But I didn't want to add a bunch of the footage of what the room looked like, and so make sure that you stay tuned to the end to see the transformation. And I will also be sharing the girls' initial reaction in today's video. So thank you so much for being part of this Toddler Girl Room Makeover with me. I thought it would be fun to share it on my channel, as it's a little bit different of a video for me. I share a lot of, behind the scenes and that sort of thing, and I just thought it would be fun. So if you like videos like this, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you like them, and it just really helps me out as a small channel, and so I would just greatly appreciate that. So now I'm just going ahead and wiping all the walls and cleaning them using the TSP. It is the best cleaner when it comes to cleaning anything prior to painting it. And then we're gonna go ahead and tape the walls and get to painting.
No parachute, I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us, it's all or nothing. Oh, but guess I need more of you. With us, it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us, it's all or nothing.
So this is the gray paint color that I actually used in my kitchen makeover as well, and I just love this color of gray. It almost looks white, as you can tell on the wall, but my goal with the Toddler Girl Room Makeover was really to just brighten up the room, and I'm so excited to share the after transformation with you guys, so again, stay tuned for that. But I just absolutely love this color of gray. It was inspired by a Sharon Williams color, and I don't actually even remember the name of it, but I will try and find it and have it linked in the description, as I'm totally obsessed with this color. You'll notice the one thing I did not do was I didn't paint the baseboards. I was contemplating painting them white, which I never ended up doing, but let me know if you would paint them white or just leave them like the wood color. I really wanted the windowsill to like accentuate, and so I wanted to paint it white, but my husband convinced me not to, mainly because it's just not our house, so it's not that big of a deal. But yeah, then I'm gonna go ahead and paint this dresser here using this blush pink and then a white as well, and we top it with a matte clear coat. But before we get into that and putting this toddler room makeover together, now that the painting is all done, I gotta go ahead and clean it up first. So here is just a little after with the furniture all put in and the curtains hung up. Now we are going to go ahead and start decorating.
If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave.
So this is the dresser that we painted. It was this like really gross yellow color, actually almost the color that we had in our kitchen before we did that makeover as well. But this holds lots of sentimental value for us, as it was actually my husband's dad's from like the 80s, and so I'm really happy to have that now here in the girls' bedroom as Adeline's dresser. Because you girls are gonna share a room. What do you think?
Hey, Mommy, it's sleep up top.
Lily's gonna sleep up top. You get to sleep on the bottom.
Hi. Why, Mommy?
So that you don't fall and get hurt. That's your new bed, Lil.
My stuffies, my other stuffies are in my backpack.
We're gonna have to get them. Careful, Adeline, okay?
I'm gonna sleep at top.
Yeah.
We're gonna sleep. Mommy, I'm up top.
Yeah, you just be careful.
Hey, Mommy, Addie's gonna sleep way at the bottom.
She's gonna come up and see your new bed too, though, okay?
She can come up and see my new bed.
You don't want to fall off of there, Addie, okay?
It's okay if she comes on. That's my new bed up here. You're gonna
No,
sleep
on your butt, on your butt. on your butt, Addie.
Did you paint my room?
I did.